Brought to you by JEGS.
Introducing the Lisle 71500 Manifold Drill Template for Dodge 5.7L Hemi. Make sure the surface is clean so the plate mounts correctly. Broken bolts need to be flush. Screw the lock screw to the plate for the hole you'll be drilling, tightening evenly to ensure the plate centers up. Mount the plate accordingly to the plate markings using the alignment bolts. Insert the 1/8" drill bushing, twist clockwise to lock into the locking screw. Install the 1/8" drill bit into a drill with 500 to 700 RPM. Use the drill depth gauge to ensure the drill bit isn't too long, which may result in puncturing a water jacket. The same gauge can be used for all bits used in the process. Keep the drill bit cool by applying transmission fluid or cutting oil into the hole before and in between drilling. Do not use penetrating oil. Drill for 5 to 10 seconds and pull out. Reapply the lubricant to keep the bit cool. Repeat until you get all the way through the bolt. Switch the 3/16 drill bit and bushing and drill approximately 1 inch deep. This will ensure good contact with the extractor. Remove the drill guide and tap the extractor with a hammer and remove the broken bolt. If you are unable to remove the broken bolt with the extractor, put the 3/16 drill bushing back in and drill all the way through the bolt with a 3/16 drill bit. Then repeat the process using the 1764 drill bit and bushing. Insert the tap bushing and use an M8 by 1.25 tap to remove the remaining steel from the threads. Screw the tap in and out again until the job is complete. The Lisle 71500 Manifold Drill Template for Dodge 5.7L Hemi.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.